flagship product, GT Stoneworks manufactured stonewall claddings is proudly made in the Philippines, offering over 60 distinct profiles and over 500 color combinations. The choices are endless, with the classic designs such as rough brickstone, ledgestone, and castlestones, following by the modern series of the Hawk, Imperial, and Gotham profiles. You are sure to find the right profile to reflect your style and preference. Once deciding on your profile and color, installing it on your walls is a cinch as long as you follow the guidelines. Walls should be at least water resistant and level so that you have an even finished surface after installation. We recommend using Fortress heavy-duty adhesive as your binding agent to attach the cladding to the wall. Local masons are quite familiar with installing our products. Just like regular tiles, you start at the corners, if any, lay out the stones on the floor since some designs come in either base or accent pieces. For the body of the wall, always start on the center bottom and work your way up. Follow these simple guidelines and you'll have your walls up in no time.